So if your sound is not good, people don't really care about your video quality. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 best microphone that is suitable for your YouTube video creation. A lot of people are asking me, what kind of microphone should I use for my content creation? What kind of microphone should I use for my video recordings? The first microphone I would recommend to you is your phone mic. You know, when you're recording your video, some people can use another phone to be recording their voice. So as a beginner who might not have money to record your videos, you can start with your phone microphone, okay? You can just use your phone to record the sound. Thereby, later on, when you are exporting the video, you can now use the video to synchronize with the sound. So if you're a beginner and you know you don't have enough budget to use your phone microphone, though it has some background noise, but you can just manage that as a beginner. So the second microphone I will recommend to you is the Shure MV7. This one is a microphone suitable for podcasts, for webinars. So this is one of the best mic, and it goes for just $269, okay? So if you can afford it, this is one of the best mic. It gives you a filtered voice, just like this one I have here. It gives you a filtered voice. You can see here it has this foam, though this one is not it. I'm just showing you an example. This one is a podcast mic. It has this boom extension. This one you cannot connect it to your phone. You can only connect it to this sound card. From this sound card you connect it to your system, because this one is mainly for podcasts and for webinars. All right, this one is when you are doing video conferencing. This one is the best one for you. So depending on your budget, if you can go for Shure, you go for Shure. But if you don't have the budget to go for Shure, there are other options that will still give you the same quality sound. Shure MV7 is just about $269. Another microphone I want to introduce to you is called Boya condenser microphone. Let me show you this. You see this microphone? This is the first microphone I started with. When I started, this one can be used for interviews. This one can be used for two people sitting, and you can connect it directly to your phone. So you record directly with your phone. This one also you can connect to your camera. You see, you can connect to your camera, and you can also connect to your phone. This is just for about $14. It's not that expensive, okay? Boya microphone. This one is a condensed microphone for smartphone, like for iPhone, for Android phone, and also for cameras. You can see, okay? You can see, right? Filters your voice. The beauty about this microphone is that it uses battery. If you want to connect to your camera, you use the battery. But if you are using with a smartphone, you don't need the battery. You just connect directly. Another thing about this microphone is that it will not work directly with your phone camera. It works with a software called Open Camera. Another microphone I want to introduce to you is called GRENARO microphone. This is one of the best microphone in the market right now. This is basically for smartphone, and it filters your voice very neatly that you will never hear any background sound. You see this microphone, and this is only for smartphone. You can charge it directly here. This is a powerful microphone I would recommend for you. This is used for both indoor and outdoor. So this is just for about $10, and it's not expensive. This is the best microphone I would recommend you. That is if you are using mobile phone, okay? And it's compatible for iPhone and Android phone. So if you are just starting and you don't have enough money to go for expensive one, this is a very lovely microphone for you. All you just need to do is to connect you connect to your phone, and you connect to your phone, okay? Then you connect this one to your wherever you want to put it on your body. It gives you a quality sound. Another microphone I would recommend for you for your mobile phone recording is this, an AirPod, okay? Is it iPod or AirPod? This is an AirPod. You can see a very beautiful. This one can filter your voice, and it will look like a professional sound. So this one goes for $159. That is about $160, and it filters. It gives you a quality sound recording, a beautiful sound recording. I bought it for $160, and it came with this. Here is it. You can use this for only mobile phone, for iPhone and for Android, and it gives you a quality sound that you will never regret. Even now, I still use it when I'm going out to shoot my video. This is the microphone I use. Very lovely, and it charges directly. Okay, you can see. I recommend this for you if you are just starting out and you are starting on budget. This is one of the best for you. Another microphone I would recommend for you is Rode Wireless Go. Okay, Rode Wireless Go is a very lovely microphone, and it can be used for outdoor recording and both indoor recording. You can also connect it with this lavalier microphone, and you can use it, and it gives you a beautiful sound. This microphone goes for $289. This one is compatible for both camera and mobile phone. And one beautiful thing about this is a dual channel microphone system, which means you can connect to two people at the same time. Two people can use it at the same time. It's a USB microphone that you can connect to your camera or your system, and it gives you a quality condensed sound. All the microphones I've mentioned, I'm going to leave the link in the description so that if you need any of them, you can just go through my link and purchase it. I recommend this Rode Wireless Go for you because it's suitable. The only thing is that it's more expensive. Another microphone I'm going to recommend to you is this Rode Shotgun. This one is mounted on a camera or on a smartphone tripod. You can mount it directly on its camera, and it's going to face you directly. This one is a powerful camera, but the only problem is that it's very far from you, so sometimes it can pick background sound. I'm not a fan of this because I don't like to stress my voice. Some people use an extension to put it close to their head like this, and it picks direct sound. This is perfect for filmmaking, but this microphone is not wireless. You connect it directly to the camera. If you are interested in growing your YouTube channel or expanding your coaching business, then consider buying a quality microphone that is going to help you. People really care about how you sound. People don't really care about how you look, okay? The dress you wear. People really care about the voice they are hearing. I would like you to invest more on getting the right sound. It's very good for you to have a quality video and you don't have a good sound. It's still as good as nothing. So go ahead and invest in a good sound. So if you found this video useful, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video.